Cambodia sets record for origami hearts display in charity effort. Cambodians have broken a world record by folding 3,917. 805 origami-style paper hearts after officials from the Guinness Book of World Records counted them up and declared the new record on April 11 at Angkor Wat. Hun Many, a senior lawmaker and head of the Union of Youth Federations of Cambodia, UYFC, which organized the event, said Cambodia's efforts to set a new record this year were undertaken to show the love and unity of the nation. The UK was the record holder in 2019, with a display of 53,700 for paper hearts, a project led by sports and exercise science students at the University of Kent. British Ambassador to Cambodia Dominic Williams, on April 11 took to social media to congratulate Cambodia for the new record. As UK Amb, I should probably feel regret that we have lost our origami heart-making world crown. But Cambodia hasn't just edged past us, it has launched into the stratosphere, nearly 4 meters. A special way to mark SEA Games, he tweeted. Many said the event was done in support of the Beyond the Games campaign that is focused on showing support, encouragement, and appreciation to all of Cambodia's national team athletes, coaches and staff, as well as everyone who has worked on preparations for the upcoming SEA Games and ASEAN Para Games hosted by Cambodia this May. Many noted that every origami heart folded for the record was matched by a donation of 500 real that went to charity partners who help athletes with disabilities. He said this is the first time in history that Cambodia has the honor of hosting the SEA Games and ASEAN Para Games, which are respectively in their 32nd and 12th editions. In addition to being a gesture to support the Cambodian athletes, the folding of the paper hearts was to express pride in the kingdom. On the one hand, we are doing this to support our athletes and sportspersons at both the SEA Games and ASEAN Para Games, and we want to encourage and support them in their dedication and all of their preparation to win medals while representing Cambodia. But we also want to express our pride as the host country and promote our theme, Sports Live in Peace, he added. The record-breaking campaign recruited Cambodians to fold the origami hearts, and then they were collected and counted. The hearts came from all over the country, with participants folding them age from as young as 4 all the way up to 80. We display the hearts using bamboo. We don't think the hearts will be torn or broken by the wood, and we intend for them to last for many days on display at Angkor Wat during the day.
ดูบ้างครับ